I've masked the area off. The area that I'm primarily... Today on GeorgeCo Garage, we're going to tackle the scratch on our hood. When we bought this 2013 X5 2 years ago, there was a fairly significant scratch that ran all the way from this leading edge to the middle of the hood. The dealer had tried to cover it up with a fairly thick coat of touch-up paint that looked awful. We removed that. We're able to buff out some of the other surface scratches and swirls. But we're really down to this. This is a fairly deep scratch. Doesn't go down through the base coat, but certainly goes through most of the clear coat. We're going to try some really light wet sanding. See if we can just take the edge off so that it doesn't catch our eyes. I'm going to mask out the area so that you know generally where we're working, and it'll help protect either side. I'm going to be starting, I'm going to try 2 discs. I really don't want to go that aggressive, so I've got a 1500 and a 3000 because I know I can buff those out pretty easily. So we'll put some tape down and get started. So I've masked the area off. The area that I'm primarily concerned with is right here. That's the deepest. This is shows up as well. It goes deep again here, here, and there. I don't know what they did. Probably pushed a box onto the hood. I don't know. People just abused it. Pull the camera back. Now you can see the area that we sanded. It's scuffed up enough that you won't be able to see the scratch. So we'll hit it with the 3000, and then when we hit it with the buffer, hopefully the scratches will be gone or mostly invisible. Back a little bit, you can see we've turned it from a scratch into a big dull spot. Now we'll go get the DA polisher and see how it polishes up. Okay, first pass, Meguiar's M105 on a 5.5 inch dual action polisher. See if I can get away from the cord. Put that stuff down, spread it out, load it, get it in. It's nice polish, it tends to be kind of messy. See if you can try to get some contrast to see the scratch. A little bit of it's still there, but I don't want to go too deep because the paint's, I don't know how far into the clear coat it goes. So got some hazing and scratches I gotta get rid of there, but mostly it's gone. At least certainly. Remember to pick the camera up this time. Back one more time, try to come in and get some contrast against the light through the trees. So there you can see the scratches pretty much gone. I'm impressed. That worked. And I just one last pass with the fine polish. Spread that out. So here's the result. Our scratch ran across here. I think you can see a little hint of it right there. Try to use the sun. Pretty remarkable. Just a little bit of wet sanding. Need a light hand. The interesting thing, if I come up and I look at the other side, you can see the holograms and swirl marks. Whereas you look on the side that was wet sanded. So I think there's the proof that I need to wet sand the whole thing. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.